me for a while I'm wide-eyed and I'm so dumb, caught in the middle. I excused you for a while I'm wide-eyed and I'm so dumb, caught in the middle. And a lie proves what you always say. Even tried, cries what you know give in. It seems so strong, it makes me so long, and never been so long. It seems so strong, it makes me so long, and never been so long. Excuse me for a while, turn a blind eye with a stick right in the middle. Have you wondered for a while? I have a feeling deep down you're caught in the middle. And a lie proves what you always say. Even tried, cries what you know give in. It seems so strong, it makes me so long, I've never been so long. It seems so strong, it makes me so long, it doesn't mean so long. Excuse me for a while I'm wide-eyed and I'm so dumb, caught in the middle. Have you wondered for a while? I have a feeling deep down you're caught in the middle. It seems so strong, it makes me so long, I've never been so long. It seems so strong, it makes me so long, I've never been so long. Excuse me for a while I'm wide-eyed and I'm so dumb, caught in the middle.
Oh my god, that was stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at you, think, where's that voice coming from? Like, where? That was lush, babe. Well done. Louise.
Ruby, I loved that just as much, if not more, than your first performance. And well done on the first choice earlier, because the contrast between the two was lovely. You showed both sides of your voice. You've got such a lovely, unique tone. It's just one of those voices you could listen to over and over again. The range on you is immense, so keep working on it. And the acrobatics that you do with your voice, even just the little riffs and as you go through the song, that are just so perfect, like I said in the first song, that you literally hear every single note in them. You've got one of those voices that I would love to work with, because as amazing as that was, you can hear that you've got so much more potential to do even more. Like in that final chorus, I can hear in a couple of years you're going to be just flying off the range with it and taking it here, there and everywhere. So I look forward to seeing what you do in the future. That was really well done.
Thanks, Lou. Anya?
Yeah, I completely agree. You know, that was absolutely phenomenal. The vocals were pretty much like perfect, to be honest, if not 100% perfect. It was so much more powerful than before, and it could be like a Ruby Uber original. I can just, I don't know, as soon as you started singing, I was like, do you know what, this could have actually been an original song. It's just one of those songs that really, really, really compliment you because it was absolutely stunning. And you didn't even need to take the mic off the stand. I could have just watched you just literally stand there and sing that song because it was just so captivating with your vocals alone. But it was absolutely incredible. You should be very, very, very proud of that one. Well done.
Thank you, Anna. Kelly?
Yeah, it's amazing to compare how you sang it the first time to how you sang it now. It was sort of like, it was just so different, so mature, your voice is so much thicker, you pushed it more, you made these little changes which really added to the song. I felt a little bit speechless. I've been like, trying to think of what to say whilst everybody else has been talking because I just couldn't gather my thoughts. I was mesmerised by that performance. I've always loved your voice. I love listening to your voice, and I think it's amazing that you can take on a Jennifer Hudson and then do that to that song. It just shows how versatile you are, and just shows how capable you are. And going from, I mean, you auditioned for the Unders and then ended up in Joey's category to being in the final and where you are. You've worked so damn hard, and you really do deserve to be on that stage tonight. And I think that performance and the one beforehand just shows how worthy you are of being up there. Honestly, congratulations, that was amazing. Well done.
Thank you. Thanks, Ken. Joey?
I mean, I don't know if it's just me that thinks this, but honestly, Ruby, after watching you there, even at your age, I could have genuinely felt, oh God, the sound of them cars. I could have genuinely been at somebody's concert that is in the charts or something like that, because it really did sound like your own song. And like, I love the fact that you showed off the powerful side to the first one, but this is definitely right up my street as what I see of you as an artist, and this is the sort of lane I see you going in, even though you can do all of that. And I want to bring up the fact of why you're in this category, and one of the reasons that I really wanted you to be in this category, and it's not because of just your amazing voice, because you have an absolutely sensational voice, it's because of how much diversity, how much variety, how much uniqueness I see in you, and that's rare in a solo singer. You've shown that tonight. You've gone from one extreme to the other, and this is why you are here right now on that stage, is because you showcase to us that you can go from one extreme to the other. And do you know what? You do, both performances were absolutely bang on. Honestly, I'm really, really proud of how far you've come. I really am. And literally tonight is just the beginning of so many things, and I can feel it in my gut. I can feel it in my gut. And I'm looking forward to being alongside you and helping you along your journey throughout from you. But that was incredible. Honestly, you've absolutely smashed it tonight. You should be really proud. Well done.